Okay, today I'm going to be giving you directions for how to play the game Imaginiff. Imaginiff, first thing you need to do, you have your game board, okay? Now, on the outside you'll see there are these numbers. You'll see there's a name and a character. You have to write your name down of each of the players in each of these blocks. You also have to choose a character from one of the pieces of literature we've read, either To Kill a Mockingbird or Romeo and Juliet. So I'd write Mrs. Herring, Juliet. Okay. Once you've done that for everybody in your group, the next thing you're going to need to do is make sure that you assign one of these game pieces to each person and place it on the start. So you'll see this one has a little dot in the center. That's the one that's going to represent Mrs. Herring. I'm going to place that on the start. Okay. So everybody has a piece there. Okay, here's how you play. Now that everybody's on the board, you have a dice and you have cards, a stack that is orange and a stack that is blue. Okay, these cards will be used whenever a player lands on either the orange or the blue. So everybody lands on start, and what you do is you end up rolling this dice. Oh, it landed on player number 3. We're going to say that that's Mrs. Herring. Mrs. Herring, since she is player number 3, right here, is going to pull the card. The first card you're going to pick is going to be orange card. Imagine if Juliet, Mrs. Herring, was pulled over by a cop. Would she cry, argue, keep driving, give an attitude, flirt, or joke? Now, everybody in the group has to actually vote. What do you think Juliet, how do you think she would react? So, even I get to vote. That's the best part. So I think Juliet would actually, I don't know, I think she would actually keep driving. So I would vote keep driving is C. I'm going to put it in the center. Everybody else votes as well. We count up all the votes. We notice there were 2 C's, 1 B, and 1 A. So guess what letter won? C. That means I get to move forward 1 space, and so does the other person that voted C. So that means Mrs. Herring's little thing moves 1 space. Okay? I won, I roll again. Then this player gets to read the card, player 4, and you play the same round again. They pick up a card according to what space they're on. So if this person, player number 4, happens to be on a blue space, they pick up a blue card. If they happen to be on an orange space, they pick up an orange card. Whoever gets the furthest or to the Imaginiff in the center wins. If you have any questions, please ask Mrs. Herring. Have fun!